Top 5 trade careers that let you be your own boss in 2025. You know what nobody tells you about being your own boss? It's not the money. It's not the freedom. It's not even the fact that you can show up to work in sweatpants. It's that feeling when you cash a check with your name on the company. When you decide if you're taking Friday off. When some customer tries to lowball you and you can just walk away. Look, I've been in the trades for 29 years. I started as a punk kid apprentice in sheet metal union. Worked my way up to foreman over 14 years. Then 15 years ago, I said screw it, and I started my own HVAC contracting business. Best decision I ever made. Scariest too, but we'll get into that. Before we get started, smash that like button and subscribe. All right, let's get into it. Today, I'm going to break down 5 trade careers that are perfect if you want to be your own boss. Not someday, not when you retire in 2025. And here's the thing, I'm not talking about the usual suspects. You won't hear me say electrician or plumber today. Those are great, but everybody talks about them. I'm going deep on 5 careers that are blowing up right now, that most people aren't even thinking about. Where literally you can start your own business within a year or two of learning the trade. And yeah, some of these might surprise you. Number 5, barber. I know what you're thinking. Barber? That's a trade? Hell yes, it's a trade. And if you think it's easy, try giving someone a fade without making them look like they lost a fight with a lawnmower. Here's why barbering is killer for being your own boss. The barrier to entry is low. Most states require 1,000 to 1,500 hours of training. That's like a year, maybe a little more. Way faster than most trades. You get licensed. You work in a shop for a year or two. You build your clientele. Then you can rent a chair or open your own shop or do house calls. You control your schedule, your prices, your vibe. And the money? Listen. A decent barber makes $40K to $60K working for someone else. But once you're on your own, charging $40 to $75 a cut, doing 4 to 5 cuts an hour, you can easily clear $75K to $100K plus. The best barbers in major cities, they're pulling $150 to $200K plus. No joke. Plus, and this is underrated, you're building relationships. People trust their barber. It's therapy with scissors. You become part of people's lives. That's powerful. Number 4, security systems installations. This one's sneaky good, pun intended. Look, everybody wants to feel safe. Home security is a massive industry right now. Ring doorbells, ADT systems, commercial security, smart locks, cameras everywhere. And someone's got to install all that stuff. That someone could be you. Here's the beautiful part. You don't even need a 4-year degree. You don't even need a traditional apprenticeship for most of this work. You can get certified through programs like ESA, Electronic Security Association, or get manufacturing certifications from companies like Honeywell or Bosch. Some states require a license, some don't. But the real training, it's hands-on. You learn low voltage wiring, network basics, how to program panels, how to troubleshoot. Starting salary, if you work for a company, around 35 to 50K. But here's where it gets good. Once you know what you're doing and you can start your own security installation business, you're looking at 60 to 100K plus. Easy. High-end residential clients, commercial contracts, you could be clearing 150K plus as your own contractor. And the best part, reoccurring revenue. You install a system. Then you get a monthly monitoring contract. That's passive income, baby. You do the work once, you get paid every single month. Number 3, home automation / smart home installation. Okay, this is the future. Smart thermostats, automated lighting, voice controlled everything, whole home audio, motorized shades. Rich people are dumping money into this stuff right now. And regular people, they're getting there too. This trade is like techs meet construction. You're part electrician, part IT guy, part interior designer. You need to understand wiring, networks, programming, customer service. It's not easy, but it's not rocket science either. Most people get into this through electrical work, AV, audio-visual training, or manufacturer-specific programs. Companies like Control4, Crestron, Savant, they all have training and certifications. Some people go to tech schools. Some learn on the job. Working for a company, you're looking at 45 to 70K. But starting your own smart home business, dude, 80 to 150 plus is very achievable. High-end projects, you're installing 50 to 100 to $250,000 systems in mansions. Your cut on one of those jobs could be 20K, 30K, 40K. And just like security, you can offer maintenance contracts, reoccurring revenue. The homeowner's Wi-Fi goes down, their lights stop working, their Alexa starts playing death metal at 3 a.m., they call you, and you charge them every single time. Hey everyone, real quick, if you're watching this and you're thinking, okay Zach, these careers sound great, but I have no idea which trade is right for me. I got you. Check out Course Careers. Specifically, talk to Coura. This is Course Careers' new AI career counselor, and it's actually pretty sick. Coura will help you figure out if HVAC, plumbing, electrical, construction project managing, construction estimating, architectural drafting, or supply chain coordinator fits your goals. Then you could start a free intro course. The intro course shows you exactly what the job is like day to day, not the highlight reel, the real stuff. And it teaches you how to get hired within 4 to 12 weeks. No experience needed, no college degree required, just like thousands of students across multiple industries have already done. Links in my description and pinned in the comments. Go check it out. All right, back to the list. Number 2, cabinet making. This one's for the artists in the room. Cabinet making is a craft, like real deal artisan work. You're working with wood, creating custom pieces, building kitchens, bathrooms, offices, entertainment centers. It's physical, it's detail orientated, it's problem solving. And when you're done, you've created something beautiful that's going to last for decades. Now, getting into the cabinet making usually means an apprenticeship or trade school. Could be 2 to 4 years of training. You learn woodworking, tool operation, finishing techniques, reading blueprints, installation. Working for a cabinet shop, you're making 35 to 60K, depending on skill level and location. But here's the thing, when you start your own custom cabinet business, the sky is the limit. A good independent cabinet maker can clear 70 to 120K plus a year. High-end custom work, built-ins for luxury homes, commercial projects, you could be making 150 to 200K plus. One kitchen remodel, custom cabinets, that could be a $25 to $40 to $60,000 job. You set the price. You control the quality. You choose the clients. Plus, there's something deeply satisfying about working with your hands and creating something tangible, something real. In a world of screens and algorithms, that matters.
Quick break here. Check out which trade is best for you and access the free course below.
And number 1, appliance repair. I'm going to be honest with you. This might be the most underrated trade career out there right now. Here's why. 1, everybody has appliances, washers, dryers, refrigerators, dishwashers, ovens, microwaves. 2, appliances break all the time. 3, most people would rather repair than replace because new appliances are expensive. 4, there's a shortage of good appliance repair techs. That's opportunity, my friend. Getting into appliance repair, you can do it through trade school, manufacturer training programs, or apprenticeships. Usually takes 6 months to 2 years to get solid. You learn electrical systems, mechanical systems, diagnostics, how to read schematics. Working for an appliance repair company, you're making 35 to 55K. Not bad, but starting your own appliance repair business, 60 to 100K plus is totally doable. And if you're good, if you build a reputation, if you specialize in high-end brands, 120K to 150K plus. I've seen guys clearing 200K running multiple truck operations. Here's what I love about the trade. Low overhead. You need a van, some tools, and parts inventory. That's it. High demand. People aren't going to stop breaking their dishwashers. Quick jobs. You're not spending 3 weeks on one project. You're in and out, fixing stuff, moving to the next call. And you're helping people. You're the hero who saves Thanksgiving when grandma's oven dies. You're the one who fixes the washing machine so a single mom doesn't have to drop $1,200 on a new one. That feels good. So there you have it. 5 trade careers where you can be your own boss in 2025. Barber, security systems, home automation, cabinet making, appliance repair. Look, I'm not going to lie to you and say being your own boss is always sunshine and rainbows. There's hard days, slow months, customers you don't pay, equipment that breaks, stress that keeps you up at night. But here's what I know after 15 years of running my own business. The freedom is real. The earning potential is real. And the pride of building something that's yours, that's real too. You don't need a college degree to do any of these careers. You don't need to go to $100,000 in debt. You don't need to waste 4 years sitting in a lecture hall learning stuff you'll never use. You need training. You need hustle. You need to be willing to learn and work your ass off. That's it. The opportunity's there. Question is, are you going to take it? If this video helped you, smash that like button. If you want more unfiltered trade career advice, subscribe and hit that notification bell. And remember, why did the appliance repair guy break up with his girlfriend? Because she had too many issues he couldn't fix. No, I'm just playing. Real talk though. He probably broke up with her because he was too busy making $150K a year fixing other people's problems. Peace out.